Did you know that something as simple as a pinch of cinnamon might hold the key to controlling your blood sugar levels? Imagine adding this aromatic spice to your morning coffee or oatmeal and seeing your health improve dramatically. Stick around because we're uncovering the surprising truth behind cinnamon and its incredible potential to lower blood sugar. Plus, we'll answer your most pressing questions at the end, so don't miss out. Dear friends, a simple request. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one. All right, let's get started. What is cinnamon? Cinnamon has been treasured for thousands of years. It was so valuable in ancient times that it was considered a gift fit for kings. Used in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, cinnamon has long been celebrated for its warming properties and its ability to enhance digestion, but its potential to impact blood sugar? That's a newer area of interest, fueled by modern science. But did you know there are actually two main types of cinnamon? There's Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon, the more common variety you'll find at the grocery store. While both are delicious, they differ slightly in taste and nutritional profile. Ceylon cinnamon is lighter in color and has a sweeter, more delicate flavor. Cassia cinnamon, on the other hand, is darker and bolder. Both types contain beneficial compounds, but Ceylon cinnamon is often preferred for its lower levels of coumarin, a natural compound that, in large amounts, might not be ideal for long-term consumption. How does cinnamon affect blood sugar? So, how exactly does cinnamon work its magic on blood sugar? Cinnamon contains many bioactive compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels. Research suggests that compounds in cinnamon, like cinnamaldehyde, cinnamon polyphenols, catechin and epicatechin, procyanidin B2, phenol polymers that mimic the effects of insulin, helping glucose move from your bloodstream into your cells. This can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Researchers believe that cinnamon slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract, reducing the post-meal blood sugar spike that many people experience. It's like giving your pancreas a little helping hand. Scientific evidence and studies. Let's look at the science. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology found that consuming 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon daily, that's about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, helped participants lower their fasting blood sugar levels. Another study in diabetes care showed improved insulin sensitivity in people who added cinnamon to their diets over 40 days. Some research suggests that the benefits may depend on factors like the type of cinnamon used, the dosage, and individual health conditions. Practical ways to use cinnamon for blood sugar control. Ready to incorporate cinnamon into your diet? Here are some easy, practical ways to enjoy its benefits. Add it to your morning coffee or tea. Sprinkle it over oatmeal, yogurt, or fresh fruit. Incorporate it into smoothies for a warm, spicy kick. Use it in savory dishes like curries or roasted vegetables. Make a cinnamon-infused water by soaking a stick in water overnight. Now let's tackle some of your burning questions about cinnamon and blood sugar. Can cinnamon replace diabetes medication? No. Cinnamon should complement, not replace, prescribed treatments. Which type of cinnamon is better for blood sugar? Ceylon cinnamon is often recommended due to its lower coumarin content and higher safety profile. How much cinnamon should I consume daily? 1 to 6 grams daily is a typical range, but consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. How long does it take to see results? Results can vary, but some studies suggest noticeable changes within 4 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Are there other natural remedies for blood sugar control? Yes, options include fenugreek, bitter melon, and chromium supplements. Can cinnamon supplements be used safely with other medications? Always consult a healthcare professional to avoid potential interactions. Is cinnamon safe during pregnancy? In small amounts, yes. However, consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.